Cleanliness and hygiene are essential attributes for all coffee machine operators. Cleaning is fast, simple and rewarding, but does require some preparation. Here are the tools you will need. Don't worry, these tools are also in the video description. Ensure your machine is hot and at full temperature and you're finished making coffee. This entire process should take no longer than 5 minutes. To begin, remove all baskets from your portafilters using a spare basket to unclip them. Fill your plastic tub with approximately 500 milliliters of hot water, or just deep enough to submerge the portafilter heads. Add 1 or 2 cleaning tablets or scoops of poulicave. The heat of the water should dissolve these quickly. After 2 minutes, remove the portafilters and rinse under a cold tap, using a scourer or a cloth to remove any stubborn coffee deposits. Remove the baskets from the soaking tub and rinse them under cold water, and reinsert them into the portafilter heads. Clip a cleaning blank into one of your clean portafilters. Take 1 tablet or a scoop of cleaning powder and place it inside the cleaning blank. Firmly insert the portafilter into the group head and activate the machine's semi-automatic cleaning cycle. To do this, hold down buttons 5 and then press button 1. This will engage the cleaning cycle on that group only. Wait until the cleaning cycle is finished. Then remove the portafilter from the group. Take your cleaning brush and scrub across and around the shower plate, paying extra attention to the channel around the perimeter of the shower, as this is where the rubber group gasket is located. Once the shower and gasket are adequately clean, activate the group using the continuous flow key, which is button number 5, and you should wash away any residue or detergent and ensure the water runs clear. Then, reinsert the clean portafilter fitted with a blank and repeat the cleaning cycle. Once the cleaning cycle has elapsed again, rinse the group one last time using button 5, and then wipe the underside of the shower plate with a microfiber cloth. Be careful to do this, as it will be hot.